What's up, YouTube? This is James coming back at you with another informative video. I hope everybody's doing well out there on this nice, beautiful Friday. Shabbat Shalom to all the brothers and sisters in recognition to observing this day to worshiping the Most High, recognizing Him, okay? Sundown this evening to sundown tomorrow evening. Let's get some worship and praises in and rest, okay? For those of you guys that may have to work, well, let's pray for forgiveness to the Most High, and that He understands your plight, and just make sure your mind is on Him as you do your servitude for whoever that you do your servitude for. This is a story right here that comes out of Havelock, North Carolina, right here. Basically, there's no base story to it except that it was a road rage incident. And there's a very, very fat, aggressive white boy, you understand, that seems to think he's bullet resistant. In other words, bulletproof. It's not wise to walk up on anyone, you know what I'm saying, period. Rather you see that they strapped or they're not. In this case, the fat white boy, he see that this young brother right here strapped with the AR-15. You see, and it seems to be, in this day that there's not much regard for human life. Rather it be someone else's life or your own, because there's a lot of people out here that feels like they need to prove a point by walking up on someone that's packing, and you can obviously see that they packing. You know what I'm saying? I'm not going to walk up on nobody that's strapped. Rather, they're from a BB gun, pellet gun, or what have you, to a 22 or AR-15 or AK-47. That's just downright goddamn stupid. You must not value life. You know what I'm saying? Putting on all that hoorah and shit in front of folks, and you can wind up dead. Because I can guarantee you, like, a AR-15 bullet, for those of you that's seen them, just like an AK-47 bullet, bullets can basically, that can drop an elephant. All right, they are very, very, very big bullets. You understand? And hey, one of them pluck you on your ass, you done for life. I don't give a damn what. You are done for life. You know what I'm saying? And if you live, if the Most High bless you to come through this situation, your quality of life will be reduced significantly. You see what I'm saying? In other words, you will not be able to do the things that you did before that incident. So, without further ado, this is a 7-minute and 7-second video. Let's check this madness out, and then we'll speak briefly about it.
Down. You tell me to fuck off, baby, off the fucking road. You little goddamn bitch. Keep coming towards me. Keep coming towards me. Keep coming towards me. Keep coming towards me. I will shoot you. Come on, put bitch it up. Put bitch it up, motherfucker. Open your fucking car. No, he ain't ready to be off road, you know it. Fuck you up.
Okay, let me stop right there. I just want to say this. The fat boy looks like he's not in the best of shape. He's huffing and puffing, just arguing. You know what I'm saying? Even if this young man didn't have the AR-15, most likely if he bust this motherfucker on his jaw, this fat boy would drop like a ton of bricks. You see what I'm saying? See. Back to the story.
Fuck you, motherfucker. I don't give a motherfucker. I don't care. Shoot me. Shoot me, motherfucker.
Attack me and I will put you down. You better get in your fucking car, because I'm telling you.
No,
You don't know me, bitch. You don't
Which
know
one is
me,
yours,
bitch.
Ryan?
Huh?
the truck.
He followed me off the fucking road. He's been trying to run me off the road. He hopped out his car. Who's following
You got
me?
the gun on me on the fucking road.
Because you're trying to run my shit off the
You
road.
ran me off the
Did
road.
you not get over and did you not stop?
Who's hopping out of who's whip? Who's following who?
You don't break.
Okay, so if you hop out on me, bitch, and you try to attack me, I will put you down. I have every right to defend myself, you
Big
bitch.
on the goddamn gang size, motherfucker. You bitch ass motherfucker.
I will protect myself.
fuck this. I'm gonna fucking bring you back to the goddamn gang signs. Then try to fucking pull my punk card. I ain't letting shit go.
Yes. Somebody has, it's a, a black man has the gun, a white man is yelling at him, the white man ran off the road,
I own weapons too.
and somebody, and the guy with the gun pulled over here, and I don't know what happened, but they're yelling at each other,
Black
so.
card. Ain't no way pull that black card, bitch ass motherfucker.
My husband got out of the car, and
Pull that black card.
they're trying to intervene, so, to kind of get the guns away, but,
Put me down. Put me down there. Now.
my name is Dee Tendell, black shirt, black pants. The white man's wearing, white shorts, he has a shirt off. It is it's a 227, I don't know, what is it called?
Say my first time here.
It's a rifle type, but it's, I seriously cannot think of the name of it.
I'm telling you right now, I'm gonna shoot you.
The guy is ready to get a flap. Oh my gosh. What?
I am disengaged.
Okay. Yes, they are out of the vehicle. My husband is trying to stay in between them, to kind of de-escalate the situation. They're walking around our car, but I'm not sure, but I think it's a Ram, pickup truck. We weren't here when it's white. We weren't here when we just came in while during the middle of the argument. We didn't see it start.
Why do you keep walking up to him? Why?
Keep on smirking me.
Is he touching you? Is he putting his hand on you?
I ain't worried about that now. It's all over nobody. Pull that shit on goddamn highway.
No, let me get in the car. Go. No, I'm not
Are you calling police?
Yes.
Okay, well, if she's already contacted police, so I'm gonna wait for the police.
Good.
So I'm not gonna leave and have them trying to chase me about it.
Good. Ain't no way you worry about them goddamn police. But I first want to like motherfucker. I don't give a fuck.
Somebody cut somebody off, and then they pulled a gun on them in the middle of the road or something.
Well, to me, it seems as though this guy has something to prove. Now, from the way it sounds, that he actually followed this person, this young man right here with the AR-15 into the gas station parking lot, and this guy saying, hey, if you walk up on me or whatever, I will shoot you. He said that. Now, I don't know who this woman is on the phone trying to pretend like it's all the guy with the gun's fault. And as you can see, as the fat dude kept walking up on him, he was backing up saying, stay back, stay back. Don't walk up on me. You know, somebody else would have probably, a person that was actually eager to shoot probably would have took that as, advantage of that situation as a cue to shoot and say, I fear for my life. This is bad situation going on in this country. And it's really all about respect. All I know is this. If there's some kind of situation with a person on the road, somebody flick, you off, or you might have a few words behind the wheel with another driver, best to keep on moving. But don't follow nobody. That's what this fat dude did. He followed him. He could have been dead behind that. But be that as it may, I'm going to be looking to see if it's a follow-up story behind this situation to see if there's going to be any charges filed on this young man right here for pulling the gun. The last few that I have seen is there has been charges, So, y'all tell me what y'all think about this particular situation. I'm interested in hearing y'all thoughts, views, and opinions on this story, on this video. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. People, please remember to live your life as though we are being watched. Simply because we are. This is James, and I'm out. Peace.